The meeting module is a central tool for organizing, scheduling, and tracking all association and committee meetings. It ensures everyone is informed and prepared. The main screen or the meeting dashboard provides a quick overview of association meetings. For instance, the upcoming meeting box shows the total number of meetings scheduled for the future. The completed meeting box shows the count of past meetings, serving as your archive. The participants box shows the total number of people expected for the meetings in your current view. Today's meeting box shows the number of meetings scheduled for the current day, so you don't miss any. Below these metrics, you'll find your meeting history, listing details like the title, date, time, venue, and a summary of the agenda for each meeting. To create a new meeting, click the Create New Meeting button. Then, define the meeting details. Start with the meeting title, a descriptive name. For example, we'll use Monthly Management Committee Meeting here. Next, add the agenda. This could include items like reviewing staff security, staff performance metrics, approval of the new vendor for lift maintenance, discussing resident complaints regarding waterlogging, and inspection schedule for fire safety treatment. Choose the mode of the meeting, either in-person or virtual depending on the requirement. Then add the venue or meeting link. If it's an in-person meeting, enter the location, such as Community Hub. If it's a virtual meeting, paste the video conference link, like Zoom or Google Meet. You can also add attachments, any documents attendees need to review beforehand, like financial reports or proposals. Then select the exact date and time for the meeting. Click Save to finalize the meeting details. The system will automatically notify all intended participants of the new schedule. You can see your new meeting on the dashboard. After the meeting is over, you can return to the entry to upload the meeting's minutes and formally mark the meeting as recorded and completed. This creates a permanent, accessible record. The meeting module simplifies organizing association events. By defining the agendas, adding pre-read materials, and recording the minutes, you ensure all meetings are efficient, organized, and fully accountable to the community.